Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we have a really fun video because all of them features that I always be talking about I actually am gonna come through and give y'all some. We have a really dope set of people that I'm going to be featuring, and I'm happy to say that this is a commission as well. I'm sad to see this painting go. I am so sad to see this painting go, but you know, that's the name of the game, I guess. I am doing this painting for my boy Ricky. Here's Ricky right here. Ricky's a cool dude, another dude that I work with. Super cool dude that he asked me to do a painting for him, but the first concept, he wasn't really feeling the first concept, so I had to draw another concept, and that one I wasn't really feeling, and then we came up with a new concept together, and then I executed that, and then he wanted some changes to that, so it's a little bit of like, you know, back and forth, but that's the name of the game, and I want somebody to have something that they absolutely love. I told him, I was like, if this isn't what you want, then that's not what we're gonna do. But this painting is of Afro Samurai. So we did the Afro Samurai Black History joint, but this week we're gonna do the Afro Samurai from the anime joint, one of my favorite animes. Love this joint to death, so it was fun making this painting. All the music is gonna be the homie Craig, again, coming back for the second time, the Single Note Scuba Diver, and he's got some new tunes that we're gonna get through this video together. I ain't gonna hold you guys up no more, it's a long ass intro, but let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first I got the concept down like I said in the intro, and then I went ahead and just got the background out of the way. I wanted it to be on some of that, like, you know, Kung Fu-esque type of red with the borders around it being like a black, and like I wanted it to look kind of just Kung Fu-esque. I don't know how else to explain it. I've seen it so much throughout, like, you know, Kung Fu movies, just the general aesthetic of that red and black and white being the main color scheme. So I wanted it to have kind of that. Alright guys, I wanted to get a little bit into the artist. I mean, you guys seen me do all of this before. But the artist is Colette. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. Sorry so much. But she runs a company called Stanky Productions, and her art is freaking amazing. She has a YouTube channel, she has a Facebook page, Instagram, all of that will be linked below. But I've recently bought some of her art. Check this out. I'll have a better picture of this displayed. But this is a dope ass hoodie. I freaking love this hoodie. This shit came out sweet. And I also have a few more of her pieces of art in a, they're gonna be coming soon. She's got like so many cool canvas at such a reasonable price. You guys need to check that out and go buy some of her art. Let's get right back into the video. Alright guys, so now we're getting into the part where I'm still like finishing up the head on the bottom. That was sweet fight in the anime. Anybody that's seen the anime, shout out in the comments, because you know, you just don't see too many animes with like a strong black lead. A lot of animes, they'll either do the Dragon Ball Z thing and give a whole bunch of racist ass stereotypes of black people and stuff. Love me some Dragon Ball Z. Don't love the way that they depicted my people. Fuck Dragon Ball Z. Anyway, Black Afro Samurai, yeah, Black Afro Samurai. That shit was sweet. He was dope. Samuel L. Jackson played a voice character in that, like, or he played the voice. Like, man, can't go wrong with Sam Jackson, man. That's that cold ass anime, cold ass music you hearing too, and that Stanky Productions got some cold ass art. Alright guys, so I wanted to get in a little bit of what I use for this painting. It's the normal. I use acrylics and I use oils. I use acrylics on the background and I use oils for pretty much everything else. I also use a little bit of an acrylic pen on some parts when I'm cleaning up here towards the end of the painting, but I'm really loving my combo of things that I use. The acrylic, getting that acrylic background down, and then it just dries so quick that I can not worry about my hand being on the page. This painting was a lot easier to do because I had places to rest my hand, because that's my biggest issue. That's why I got that little stick and whatnot. I also got another stick coming, so excited for that. But yeah, so I use that right now around the painting. I'm just cleaning up on the face, and I'm also using some different like camera lenses. I'm starting to get, I'm photographical out here, y'all. So look out for me taking pictures all over the city and shit. And I like the way it looks. I like the way that it looks like a little bit like it's only focused on where I'm trying to show you where I'm painting, and then it's out of focus for the rest. You know, trying new things. We are learning together. You guys already know. Alright guys, so around this part is when I'm doing the garments. So like when I did his clothes, I drew it out and it looked a lot better in pencil than it did once I started painting. And I realized something very important while doing this painting, and that I really should put more focus on creases and all of those things when I'm doing the pencil sketch, to kind of give me a better idea of how clothing sits on you and all of that. So I felt like I was lacking a little bit in that department for this painting. I still think it came out pretty sweet, but it gave me something to strive to be better for. We are learning together, and I want to put more emphasis on that in my next pencil sketches, because I was up there like, it looks sweet as hell in the notebook, but as soon as I get the painting and whatnot, I'm all like, whoa, what goes where to make it? Yeah, and I'm a novice, so I need to figure that stuff out early and get used to putting it in my process and put it in my process. Alright guys, so as we get close to the end here, I'm just doing a whole lot of cleanup, putting more detail in, and also I really enjoy the way that I did the smoke coming up from the cigarette. Love so many paintings that I've seen that has just that pure white going through it as smoke or as hair or as something, but I really enjoyed the way that that looks, and I really would like to explore that more, that smoke in that like form of like those straight lines, or not straight lines, but you know, more like condensed one line going up with just little y'all see the painting, y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. I like the way the smoke looks. I'm gonna do the smoke like that more. Alright guys, with that, that's gonna be another video done. I so hope my boy Ricky loves his painting. He's a cool ass dude. He's into all the same shit I'm into, like anime and like, you know, all of that shit. He's just cool as hell. And thank you so much for coming out for another video. We have a really special commission for next week as well. My people from work just been like, yo, let's just throw commissions at Chuck. I appreciate that so much. Love all of you guys so much, and keep them coming. I don't know, all of y'all keep them coming. I got so many commissions to do, and I'm overwhelmed with joy and just honored that you guys are asking me to do things for you. Thanks so much to my guest featuring the artist. That's Stanky. That shit's sweet. Look at him one more time. Look at this hoodie. Shit is dope. Go buy her stuff immediately. Immediately. Go get her stuff. Finish my video and then go get her stuff. You got to. Dope shit. Craig, always bringing the heat. That Single Note Scuba Diver shit is so dope and like perfect for these videos, I think. You know, just having those beats in the background. And this collection of beats that Craig made was real sweet. I really enjoyed all of that shit. That shit was hard hitting. Love you guys, and I will catch you next week for another video.